Patuloy po sana yung pagiging daluyan ninyo ng biyaya sa inyong kapwa. And rest assured, you will never run out. Hindi kayo magkukulang. Why? Because our God can never be outdone in generosity.
Happy birthday. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos for another year. At saka yung sinabi ko sa iyo palagi na kaya natin to, magtutulungan tayo. Stroke lang to love. Sabi ko, nalalampasan mo, binibigyan ka ng Panginoon ng another life. Kaya kaya natin ito. Kayang-kaya natin ito love. Basta yung promise mo sa akin tatayo ka na at saka maglalakad ka na.
In behalf of my fraternity and sorority, we wish Joseph the best of everything. Happy birthday, Joseph. We love you.
There are two greatest days in our life daw. Yung araw na pinanganak tayo at yung araw na na-discover natin ang dahilan bakit tayo ipinanganak. The day we discover why we are born. These are the two greatest days in our life. And I think that's one of the reasons why we celebrate birthdays.
Salamat po, Ama, sa lahat po, Lord, ng aming pong programa. Hayaan po ninyong kayo po ang siyang may tataas. Salamat po, Ama, ito ang aming panalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus.
Hindi ko ma-explain as a wife, parang kung ano yung parang kaya kong i-offer yung life ko. Siyempre asawa ko siya, kaya kong i-offer yung life ko at proteksyonan ko siya habang buhay siya.
As we grow older in life, hindi mo naman talaga kailangan man ng maraming kaibigan. Ang kailangan talaga lang natin ay yung mga totoong kaibigan. Tama? We don't need a lot of friends. We only need true friends.
Si Joseph as a husband, he's very loving, he's very, kung kami lang, he's very, yung grabe siya mag-show ng love at very sweet siya sa akin kung kami lang. But kung sa labas, ano siya, yung parang strict at hindi siya pala show. Pero kung kami lang dalawa, very sweet talaga siya as a husband.
Confused, lonely mess on this journey of life. Figure out the rest, maybe one day I'll find a way. I'll embrace my mistakes, cause after all, I think that's my humanity. I know I'm not alone, but my thoughts could argue otherwise. Too glued to my phone, dopamine receptors compromised. But I can dig myself out of this hole that I designed.
Happy 75th birthday, Joseph. Wish you good health and long life and happy together with your family. Happy living, long life and good health. Sana more birthdays to come pa.
Hey, so I'm a little messed up, I'm a little messed up, and my head too much like. Hey, so I'm a little messed up, I'm a little messed up, I'm a little messed up. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Allergic to commitment, that's why I just stopped my therapy. But that shit was so expensive, if I had the money, would I be a better me? I got so much on my plate that I feel like I'm best friends with gluttony. I still love my faults, they make me human.
Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthdays. So once again, happy birthday, Insans. Sana ipagdasal natin na gumaling ka, yung kagalingan mo.
Happy 75th birthday, Sir Joseph! Love you!
Ang funny side niya, madali siyang mag-adjust. Nag-a-adjust siya kung saan, ano yung mga kausap niya, madali siyang mag-adjust.
Tawa kami ng tawa once ano na siya ng joke, pero minsan din very strict. Pero kung maano na niya yung timpla, very joker, tawang-tawa, as in talaga very joker yung asawa ko, parang dolphy-dolphy nga siya eh.
Even when my thoughts they try to rule.
Happy 75th birthday, love. I love you very much. At andito lang ako palagi sa iyo to take care of you, to love you until the end. Love you!
Even when my thoughts they try to ruin, they try to ruin me.
Hindi kababayaan ng ating may kapal. Sana bigyan ka pa ng habang buhay at sana makarecover kayo ng mabilis.
Sir, I wish na magkaroon pa po kayo ng more years to live para makasama pa po kayo. Hindi ba marunong mag-alaga si ma'am, hindi niya kayo papabayaan.
Happy 75th birthday, Ninong. More blessing to kami. Mabuhay po kayo hanggat gusto niyo po.
Oh, 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 oh.